for the NDCs, Assin North, and the MPPs Assin North by-election or Mokoya. But interestingly, Kofi Akpalu 87. Kofi Akpalu. In fact, Osi Kofi said the man food trees left and right, 87 crying. I mean a boame. Na Kamenya. So at the end of the year about there's a satisfied result. So on Facebook page, Muhammad saying Charles Opoku enya 12,630. Benny's enyonam Sefenu enya 87. James Jechikwesin of the NDC enya 17,243. Total vote cast. Total vote cast is saying
30,418.
And a total valid vote cast
29,962.
Rejected
456.
Who did rejected for no? Omom koji skano a omom suro se dua bontom dom to seka ma ya nto amobia. But so I can say this is one of the very, very impressive voter turnout by election.
Yeah.
Because enipa total registered voters 41,000.
Okay.
So about 90%, almost 90%. And it's very encouraging.
Okay.
Very, very encouraging.
Very encouraging, yeah.
In fact, share even general election cry and tendency.
Yeah.
So being about 90%, about 80-90% turnouts. Very, very encouraging. It also is a man for now honor. And no MPP must be very careful. Here, apathy is very dangerous. Oba kumewa. Man for the run MPA metwaba. You know what? Yeah, meto. And Asante region, that is special of Kumasi.
Yeah.
On meto ma NDC. So on to ma MPP. On ma meto ma NDC. They did say me ma meto. Monkoto maba. Se me buafu a menkoto. Ba se me kwa koto ama NDC de la line. That is why Obakumewu I was saying it here say the now Okuja ma be kwa Akoma me Kumewu videos. Rally a omoyeye. Now wa ma me Assin North rally a omoyeye. Now compare the crowd. Where politics the crowd will deceive you.
Of course. The
crowd are always not the cloud. Ama in here pa. Your crowd.
Your cloud.
CR. And you want the cloud. That is a realm. A bono said ye a dear dance here at the war. When you see the crowd, never be convinced and be deceived. Say the cloud are for you.
So who dumb noir?
Men now I say a realm. Yeah. Because there are moments in life the crowd will follow you, but the cloud will not follow you.
Yeah.
And the cloud will be against you.
Of course.
In the realms. Kofi So I would say in life, you move bre you tie die nipa kan. And you do baby no. Moses no mbeka say e domono e tata won. E domone say yenye say and when they needed water kra nyameka say Moses fa poma no tene so keke no because of the agitation of the crowd. The cloud has a different direction. And Moses no maybe I may follow the crowd. Politicians I thought I will follow the crowd, forgetting the cloud. And that is the most dangerous thing. I want the rallies na nkasa. So upie Kumewu na upie Assin North. One thing and a distant. Also from day one in Yinano, Jechikwesin as a personality, he is loved.
Yes.
By the people.
Yes.
Both NDC and MPP.
Yes.
Duduanano Pepper Panasem because he has been with them. And Obibia because politics is always about money. Ama it's not always about money.
Never.
Nipa binumo wa ombeje. And then Ghana for any be.
Oh, money and why you coffee?
Teteno and near bay a crass the bent one chinene and the Adede Brayano. I wouldn't say the Amawa we need to. A minimum crowd the Maui and Wabudia, edua no ntimi nya ne hwe
na Kofi hwe Assin South ya de omo kan nyina maame baako okasai pa ma wo mo etie bo na ba so se nye by election ya na ko nim se Ghana sika wa ha
how
chese wo ye kokoo kuani se kuani be kwa kari kokoo de be ma PC ye de kona bra wo kwa na iti taku nya ise bo ya oba hu na sika no aya nwonran eti sika na wo se ka kuani ni nya bom na ebia nka ne dan bia je opese okobo so ana ne ba school fees bia nko nya sika ne bom de koye no na PC so woni sika ntia ne kakran
okay
enti by election by ya wo hu se sika kro ma wo mo che no no hu se nkofue wo mo ya abro
So there you catch it before.
Say ye ni ada ho.
We are always not stupid.
Ye ni ada ho Kofi.
Me say we are where kumawu. Now therefore on Facebook page now watch this. O share domo the rally no mo ye ni right? Kumawu rally no. You had the president, you had everybody and all of them. Now tie what Judge we share video no and listen to Judge Christian.
Ex-President Mahama for taking time out to join me to campaign because he believed in what I stood for.
Thank you very much, sir.
I thank my caucus, my parliamentary caucus, the minority group led by Honorable Atu Forsen and the rest of the team. I have to also thank national executives of the NDC as well as the regional executives, my constituent executives mostly.
So, Ama, you walk Kumawu Sisia. Now, we analyze the video now. Baby, how many more? The fisher. I say, yes, see a major on you, see a baby. So, the laugh. I will show you Nanado in Kumasi 2016. Okoja my archives. Nanado nam edum 2016. Hey, a dying ceiling. So everywhere the people were just, dying to see that man. Hey, now Dr. Baumiani, or man and Sasso sa say ya not more de kobe amoko. But where we share video no. Now we share how the construction of roads, development, ecosoho. Na the neighboring district yenya will know any important. The people watching will tell you say no at the end of the day another for now mame okuja my na fe pay me Assin rally good where the I want the MPPM Nanadu ni atade we ana or the call Assin North right say Nanadu ni
jina hoyi
mo ena okura microphone or twen say crowd no be wi na waba be kasa no I want the MPP Assin North video ate bo ba Facebook page I we me pese me ma wo the video analysis not to boase hwe na we are no aka cha won say politicians NDC ba on be kwa kwaji t-shirt akwa kujina ho MPP ba on be kwa kwaji t-shirt akwa kujina ho they will cheer you up because omo hu say sika na yanya sa mo ma ye bi nyeden eni we sit here said ye na o ka se maame na e ka no enwuma hodo a ona compose e de ama and you see you just opoku almost yedi
oh just opoku 2 million no yedi
and all these things are something I may expect the MPP say ne on beba betranse sit at their drawing table na omo ato omo bo ase analyze everything because a serious for political history of the party Obeka so seat no nye predominantly NDC seat mo bi ankasa
sitting members of parliament the full
obetimi aye wadwuma yie bia no you are likely to have that seat and obviously you can win that seat so utimi organize wo ho aye wadwuma yie when you have people like this this is what they will tell you.
Honorable worry. Honorable worry. Honorable one worry.
Kachi.
Miss worry.
Kachi. Ade.
Worry.
Kunya neme.
Nyamisheni.
Semejina bana Maria. E fa ho bayi.
Sika
usika.
Enyem sika.
Oh, Amma. Oh, Amma.
Get up and come from.
Amma.
200 cities. You know, I said, but my dear, 200 cities. Every people are the mommy. I want too much as a Pokweni.
I want to get
200 cities.
Now, pause the video. I'm a own sabranti. Is he Okwaji Haji Hell?
Oje Haji ha.
And here, look at what is going on. Wana omudi echire nyina aso we young guys e wo kro ni mu a they are all there obu okra wonim say ama yete kura se 2 million yes ka keto o
eh nene kura ko 2 million yes ka keto
yes ka keto obu o a wonim say wo fa mesina by day 70-80 cities or your master 1.2 na and to get 2 million no that's about 2 days work o
and kura ko fi ote ne case ka free mu a
enti wo bana otu botom na more ten says kana they look at you and say no go for the
200 cities. You know, I said, but my dear, 200 cities. Every people are the mommy. I want too much as a Pokweni.
I want to get
200 cities.
Why are you paying? Well, okay, sir. Much of Mr. Munyansa, which you say, we are youth.
Obi fa 3 days be twa kwan we akwan ni o ni en to ba mata to poku obi en to ba wa ha ya to ba ba ne fom ba ne fom we na mo ko to ba ni bi ya ta ya sa ya ku o to na ba to ba no ku ba ya ma ko to ba ni ya ya 200 ya ke
hey about the video Allah oyo confirm Allah oyo confirm
Akoma 87.9.
Okay, so as you can see, Honorable James Jati question just went. Okay, so as you can see, Honorable James Jati question just went there to cast his ballot and is taking a stroll. He's going, walking through the town, doing his Thanksgiving, even though
200 cities. You know, I said, but my dear, 200 cities. Every people are the mommy. I want too much as a Pokweni.
I want to get
200 cities.
Why are you paying?
Well,
okay, sir. Much of Mr. Munyansa, which you say, we are youth.
Obi fa 3 days be twa kwan we akwan ni o ni en to ba mata to poku obi en to ba wa ha ya en to ba ma ne fom ba ne fom we na mo ko to ba ni bi ya ta ya sa ya ku ya ku o to na ba to ba no ta so ku ba ya ba ma ko to ba ni bi ya ya 200 ya je
hey about the video Allah oyo confirm Allah oyo confirm
Okay, observe higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Now, Mame, a year rally omokoye ewo Assin North. Now, let's sound voice here nanado dan kwa kufuado.